Third time's a charm. Hi everyone, it's Tom, the networking nerd, and we're coming to you live from Network Field Day 3. We've got a great group of delegates for you this time around. In fact, we've even got some new people like Derek Winkworth, Marko Milivojevic, and the network security princess herself, Mrs. Y. But you know what? We want to hear from you. Yes, you, right there in the chair. How can we hear from you? Well, first thing you want to do is go over to techfieldday.com. We're going to be streaming all the video from the presentations for the next couple of days so you can follow along and learn what we're learning. If you want to ask questions or make comments, you're always welcome to do that. The easiest way to do that is to head over to Twitter. Tweet out what you want to say. Make sure you use the hashtag NFD3. That way that we'll be able to see it. So will the sponsors. We can address your questions and concerns. And I promise you that we're going to make sure that your voice gets heard.
Hello, my name is Derek Winkworth. I'm otherwise known as CloudToad, at CloudToad on Twitter. I have a blog at Packet Pushers. I am particularly looking forward to hearing from NEC, Arista, and Spirent here in Network Field Day 3. You can follow the live video stream at techfieldday.com. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them on Twitter with hashtag NFD3.
Hey everybody, Brandon here. You can find my blog at brandonjcarroll.com, and you can find me on Twitter at BrandonCarroll. I'm here at Network Field Day number 3. Really excited to see SolarWinds. I consider them friends. I want to see Arista Networks. I really like them as well, and I'm looking forward to visiting with Cisco. But there's a lot of other people that we're lined up to see, and I'm looking forward to seeing all of them. Don't forget to tune in to the live streaming. You can find that at techfieldday.com. And also, don't forget the Twitter feed. It'll be found with the hashtag #NFD3. See you there.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Y as Y, or Mrs. Y. I'm with Packet Pushers. You can follow me by reading my blog at packetpushers.net. You can also follow me on Twitter at Mrs. Y as Y or Google+. I'm really excited to be here for Networking Field Day 3. I'm really jonesed about SolarWinds and NEC. So please follow our live streaming video at techfieldday.com, and you can contribute your comments to #NFD3.